To see Klehm so active this year and so adaptable to all the changes in our society was really something special. The exciting changes made to the Autumn at the Arboretum event to keep it fun and accessible are a great example of how our organization continues to serve as a resource and destination no matter what challenges we face.
Klehm is just a perfect place for families. The Nancy Olson Children's Garden is such a tremendous resource for our community, and having such a safe, fun, and unique outdoor space for children to play and explore is invaluable. I think spending time outdoors and in nature is more important now than ever. I know a lot of other people feel this way too, and I've seen it before. Once people discover Klehm, they keep coming back again and again.
Being a board member here at Klehm Arboretum and also a part of Miller Engineering Company, which is a neighboring business located on South Main Street, I can say having a prominent sign in front of Klehm Arboretum is a huge game changer. With all the new development in downtown Rockford and at Bypass 20, there has never been a better time to highlight Klehm's entrance. Adding a beautiful, noteworthy stone marker for Klehm is going to do wonders. It will increase our visibility as a tourist destination and as a community resource. It's a tremendous achievement. Great for Klehm and great for the city of Rockford. I know the donors and area businesses that have supported this project, like mine, feel the same way.
Klehm is definitely a place to enjoy in all seasons, and there's always something new to see coming out in the winter and into spring. And this year I saw more new faces than ever before, visiting and walking and exploring. People really enjoyed having a safe outdoor space where they could get out and relieve some stress and see all that nature has to offer at such special times. I would truly say that Klehm has served as a community resource during this very difficult period this spring, and seeing Klehm be able to adapt and put out so many online activities and resources also really helped. It's great to be able to give tours starting in midsummer. There's so much for visitors to see with everything being so green and growing and the weather so nice. People really enjoyed our tours, even with the special social distancing and a few other caveats. People still wanted to come out and see what Klehm is all about. Visiting Klehm is a great family activity, and I think we all saw that, especially this year.
Arbor Day was a unique challenge in April, but by adapting our annual tree giveaway to a drive-through style event, we had our most successful Arbor Day ever and distributed over 300 trees to residents of the community and region. We continued to establish new plantings of trees throughout the grounds, including several new varieties of small maples, and also established the Ethel Johnson Lilac Garden in 2020 as well. In 2020, Klehm formally began a partnership with Francesco's Ristorante Group to manage and operate private venue rentals at Klehm going forward. This allows for each party to do what they do best. For Francesco's, focusing on a high-quality event experience with their great service and food, and for Klehm, doubling down on our mission to maintain a living museum for the enjoyment, education, and inspiration of all people. We were able to improve access to Klehm by developing a Spanish-language trail guide and installing new bilingual signage throughout the grounds so that an even greater number of people can truly enjoy all we have to offer. Continued investment into facilities at Klehm by the Forest Preserves of Winnebago County in 2020 helped improve the overall visitor experience at Klehm for this year and for many more going forward. None of the success in 2020 would have been possible without the hard work of our staff, our volunteers, and our board of directors. The support of our members, guests, and the overall community have also been a tremendous part of what we were able to accomplish throughout this challenging but rewarding year.